How McDonald's Egg McMuffins are made. Inside the breakfast supply chain, on the planet. Warm, savory, and instantly comforting, they're often the first thing people crave when the day begins. There's something undeniably satisfying about the combination of a toasted English muffin, a soft egg, melted cheese, and a layer of smoky meat. But what makes these breakfast sandwiches so consistently addictive, no matter where you order them? The answer isn't just flavor, it's precision. From the moment an Egg McMuffin is imagined to the second it's wrapped in paper and handed through the drive-thru window, every step is carefully engineered. Behind that simple sandwich is one of the most refined fast food supply chains ever built. Each ingredient is produced in specialized facilities designed to deliver the same taste, texture, and appearance millions of times every single day. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on how McDonald's most iconic breakfast item is made. From its surprising origin story to the factories, farms, and kitchens that keep it running like clockwork, this is how the Egg McMuffin comes together, layer by layer. The birth of the Egg McMuffin. Today, breakfast menus are everywhere. Nearly every fast food restaurant opens early, offering sandwiches, coffee, and hash browns before sunrise. But that wasn't always the case. In the late 1960s and early 1970s, most burger restaurants didn't even open until mid-morning. Breakfast, as a fast food category, barely existed. Seeing an untapped opportunity, a McDonald's franchise owner named Herb Peterson began experimenting with a sandwich that could justify opening his restaurant earlier in the day. Inspired by Eggs Benedict, Peterson wanted something warm, handheld, and easy to eat on the go. In 1971, he introduced a simple but revolutionary idea: a toasted English muffin topped with a freshly cooked egg, Canadian bacon, and a slice of melted American cheese. To make it work, he had a local metalworker create a custom stainless steel egg ring that would shape eggs into perfect circles. This simple innovation helped define the Egg McMuffin's iconic look. While McDonald's leadership was initially hesitant, one taste was enough to change minds. It took several years for the sandwich to roll out nationwide, but once it did, it transformed how Americans thought about breakfast. McDonald's extended its hours, expanded its morning menu, and helped launch fast food breakfast as we know it today. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on how McDonald's most iconic breakfast item is made. From its surprising origin story to the factories, farms, and kitchens that keep it running like clockwork, this is how the Egg McMuffin comes together, layer by layer. The modern McMuffin supply chain. Producing millions of Egg McMuffins every day requires extreme consistency. That consistency starts long before anything reaches a McDonald's kitchen. Each component, the muffin, the meat, the cheese, and the egg, comes from a dedicated production process built for speed, safety, and uniformity. Let's start with the foundation of the sandwich, the English muffin. How McDonald's English muffins are made. McDonald's English muffins are produced by large commercial bakeries designed to operate around the clock. The process begins with simple ingredients: bread flour, water, yeast, sugar, salt, and oil. These ingredients are poured into massive industrial mixers where rotating spiral arms knead the dough for a few minutes. This mixing develops gluten, giving the dough its strength and elasticity. Once uniform, the dough is transferred to proofing tanks where yeast begins producing carbon dioxide gas. Over time, this causes the dough to rise and develop flavor. The dough then moves to a divider that cuts it into perfectly equal portions. English muffins are toasted in high-speed toasters. Canadian bacon is warmed on the griddle. Sausage patties cooked directly from frozen to ensure consistency. Fresh eggs are cracked into metal rings on the grill. Water is added and the eggs are assembly. When an order is placed, assembly happens in seconds. The bottom muffin receives a slice of cheese. The egg is placed on top, followed by Canadian bacon or sausage. The top muffin seals the sandwich, which is wrapped and served immediately. Simple ingredients, precise execution, decades of refinement. More than 50 years after its invention, the Egg McMuffin remains one of the most recognizable breakfasts in the world, not because it's complicated, but because it's perfectly engineered to be the same every time. So what's your pick? Egg McMuffin or Sausage McMuffin? Let us know in the comments, and we'll see you in the next video.